I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by picking a link in bio tool or lightweight landing page. This choice shapes your options. Once chosen, collect every URL you want to surface, plus any UTM parameters for tracking. Make sure your profile photo and short bio are ready, because you'll paste the new link immediately into your profile. Now sign into the social account, open the profile edit area, and get ready to paste the new sticky link. Don't skip the tracking tags. Once done with basics, build the link list. Add each entry with a clear title, optional image, and one-line description so visitors decide fast. Arrange links by priority. Place your primary CTA at the top and consider grouping related items. Make sure to append UTM parameters for analytics and set links to open in a new tab to keep people on your profile. Before you move on, click through every link on desktop and mobile to confirm accuracy and load speed. Now publish. Copy the final link from your provider and paste it into your profile bio field, then save. Once published, preview the profile on mobile because most visitors come from phones. Verify the CTA reads clearly and tap behavior is correct. If analytics show no clicks, clear your cache, resave the profile, or replace overly long URLs with a short redirect. If a link still fails, recheck the original target for redirects or access restrictions. Fixing that usually resolves the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.